light came on. Oh, it's already down.
Well, whatever town this is, it's done now.
Winnipeg's best rock, Power 97. That is Buck Cherry with Everything. Before that, we heard 3 Days Grace with Home. How's it going? My name is Holly Bosman. 6:52 on your Friday evening, and things are getting exciting in here, man. I'm getting phone call.
Yeah, we gotta get hurry now, Buck, because I don't want to be anywhere near it anymore.
There's been tornadoes sighted.
Yeah, I'm right beside it.
Have funnel clouds have been spotted in the Sperling area. I'm not sure exactly where they've touched down. But we can check that out. We're going to check that out and pass on more information. If you are out on the highway, wherever you are, please be safe. Be safe. Don't try to chase them. That's not a good idea. But yeah, I've had calls from Ron, Wally, and Jag. Also had another sighting north of the city out by number 6 highway, somewhere out there by the Woodlands. So somewhere out there, we've also had some interesting weather happening. Gotta love the hot weather in Manitoba in the summertime. And of course, with it being summertime, you have to watch for the Power 97 711 Magnum Summer Cruiser powered by the new Pembina Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Slurpee.
Jesus.
Only at 7-Eleven, we'll be giving away great prizes all summer long, including samples of 7-Eleven's new Slurppuccino, where cappuccino meets Slurpee. And the Power 97 711 Magnum Summer Cruiser will be on the road at all the hottest events. This weekend, you can catch it at the Master Batter Classic. That goes down tomorrow. I'll be down there live from noon until 6, letting you know all the entertainment and fun that's happening. So if you can make it down, come on down. It'll be good times. Be good times. And that is happening all day tomorrow. And the 711 Magnum Summer Cruise, 97 711 Magnum Summer Cruiser is brought to you by the new Pembina Chrysler Dodge Jeep. Slurpee only at 7-Eleven and Air Source.
Racing fires up, rain or shine. Friday and Saturday at 7, Sunday at 1.
Bill welcomes Amps, Drums, and Guitars. The Big A, Winnipeg's hottest live music venue, brings you the best of the rock scene.
The Eureka E-Power camping system that brings 12-volt power
Yeah, you
right
notice how
into your
everyone's
tent.
moving away from it right now?
Coleman Extreme Coolers can keep your ice cold for up to 5 days. When it is, you can have a great day in the great outdoors with SIR Sports Store. $1,300, just one block east of Elvis.
You're listening to Winnipeg's best rock, Power 97, CJKR 97.5 FM.